It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The comfort, technology, and premium features built into this Grand Caravan make every trip feel like a vacation. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super STOW-N-GO, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.